children, today let us learn a new topic, transport. Travel is the movement of people between places which may either be by foot, bicycle, automobile, train, boat, aeroplane or any other means. Transport is a means by which we travel from one place to another. All vehicles that can carry people and goods from one place to another are known as means of transport. Today we can go to almost any place in the world with the help of faster means of transport. The different means of transport that we use today can be divided into four main categories: roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Let's now learn about roadways. India has been building roads since old times. Roadways connect the nook and corners of our country. National highways. These are the main roads connecting cities in the country. Example, NH44 runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. State highways. These are the roads connecting important cities within the state. Example, SH4 runs from Arcot to Viluppuram. District roads. These are of two types: major district roads and other district roads. These roads connect markets and offices in the district. Village roads. These roads connect villages or group of villages with each other and also to other major roads near it. Railways. Railway is the most important form of transport system connecting various states in India. The first railway line was laid between Mumbai and Thane in 1853. One of the earliest railway stations built in Tamil Nadu was in Royapuram in the year 1856. Steam engines were used in the beginning. From steam engines to high-speed rail, the growth of Indian railways over the past 170 years has been vast and it has contributed to the development of India. Waterways. India has a very long coastline and hence ports remain main centers for trade. India has 13 major ports and Tamil Nadu is the only state in India that has 3 major ports: Ennur, Chennai and Tuticorin. Water transport happens through boat, speedboat and ship. The boats are widely used for fishing in Tamil Nadu. Airways. Air transport is the fastest way to travel to different parts of the world. The very first air service of Asia was inaugurated by India in the year 1914 by Post and Telegraph Department by carrying mail from Allahabad to Naini across the Ganga River. In Tamil Nadu, there are 4 international airports at Chennai, Coimbatore, Madurai and Tiruchirappalli. Airlines plays a huge role in connecting cities within the country and across the world. Helicopters are used for short distance and in hilly regions like Haridwar and Kedarnath and Darjeeling. Advantages of transport. Transport system plays a huge role in the growth of agricultural and industrial production by carrying raw materials to different parts of the country. It helps in promoting trade in the country. Transport plays a key role in the country's export and import of goods. It helps people from different countries to visit other countries. The good transport system, promotion of tourism is not possible. Thank you.